important to have that human connection. When you have a close relationship with a child, you are able to fully understand what that child needs in order to succeed. They need to feel loved, safe, and when they feel those things, they are ready to learn and they are ready to grow their minds.
Rebecca Reeves is charismatic, she's loving, she's enthusiastic, and she's full of surprises because you never know what you're going to get when you walk into her classroom.
You're a pirate now. Will you give a big pirate cheer, a big arr? Ah! Excellent, excellent, excellent.
I worked so hard to bring learning to life. They deserve to have a teacher that is excited for them and cheers them on. My teaching philosophy is active learning.
Interactive, hands-on activities. She knows how to engage her children where they don't really realize they're even learning.
I have been blessed with having some really hands-on teachers that took the time to get to know me. Mr. Robertson, my fourth grade teacher, was so special to me because he made it okay that I learned a little differently. That's why I'm the teacher I am today. I want to encourage, I want to excite, I want to inspire, to make sure that they understand that they are amazing and unique. I'm so serious about making sure kids develop a lifelong love for learning.